As you can see, I have it submerged, the 10-cell plate submerged in a bucket of water right now. And now we're going to hook up power and see what we get. Okay. Here comes the negative. Are you ready for this, everybody? Here we go. There we go. Cells are connected. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Watch it. Here it comes. Already we have ignition. Look at the bubbles. Give it a minute to get the amperage up. Here she goes. Okay, what you can't see right now is the vapors are starting to escape from the unit right now. You can see them blowing around in the blaze. See them coming up and over? That's pure hydrogen gas blowing around there. You notice it's lighter than air, so it tends to circle up. Our water, you see, is getting very brownish because it is tap water. I mean, it's really getting into going now. Let this baby cook up. See how much hydrogen we can make. I think we have liftoff though. Now, although we want this to make enough hydrogen to supplement the gasoline, not take over right now. This is not a hydrogen exclusive car we're going to run this on. There's a close-up view for you. We'll get the amp gauge going a little faster when we rev the car up, and that lends itself to significantly more gas. Keep in mind that this is lid free, or else we'd have significant hydrogen. As you can see it blowing off, it is leaching everywhere. It is colorless except for the white smoke you see, and it has no smell. So you have to be careful next to an open ignition of this thing. This is the negative plate on this side. This is the positive plate on this side. This is oxygen peeling off this side of the plate. This is more hydrogen on this side of the plate. As you can see, we got twice as much hydrogen as we do oxygen. Hence H2O. 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen makes water. Okay, we've got our container built now, and got our. This is our. This is where the gas comes out right here, and these are the terminals to hook the power up to. And now we're going to give it a test as fast as we can and see how it works out. Okay. Alrighty, power's on. Hydrogen is generating right now inside our container. I just don't know if we'll see the hydrogen with as much wind as we got going on right now. But we're expecting it to come out of that port right there. That's the only way out of this container now. It's a sealed container. You can see by our container there. And you see right here, this is a lock to keep the container sealed tightly. Okay, we're getting hydrogen bubbles now. We're going to do a little test with some of them. Hear that? Alrighty, I'm going to zoom back out a little bit. Let's see the hydrogen production. It's getting more and more and more as we let the cell heat up. You see our bubbler is bubbling lots more now. This is going to be our hydrogen we introduced. I got the end wet. He's blowing out my lighter. Well, there you go. We won't be introducing a whole lot of hydrogen, but I hope it'll be enough to complement the gasoline system. We definitely got hydrogen, and alright. There's our tank. There's our little hose going to our water buckle, so we see our hydrogen production. It's so darn windy out here and it's snowing, so. Now we put a little soap in the water so we can maintain our bubbles a little better. You can see how they get together and make a cluster now. We're going to let that build up a little bit. And I'm going to show you what a cluster of hydrogen can do. Alright, you ready for this? Woo! Isn't that nice? Our own fireworks. I'm going to let them build up one more time. I'm going to test that. See if we can get a bigger one going. This is pretty neat stuff. Bubbles are forming. They're joining. They're joining. Come on, stay together. Link up. There we go. Link up. Look at this one going right here. We'll let it get some more bubbles on it, and then we'll set it off and see how much movement it makes. Look at the size of that bubble going into it. Wow. Maybe we can get to link up with those over there too. Alright, you ready? Here we go. Woo!